Momentum, if you have not ever tasted it, then definitely you should have that hungerness to taste, because if you taste it, it is so delicious. Maybe it is better than all sweets in the world. It is better than even, in fact, getting 2 lakhs of salary. If you're getting more, it is better than anything in life, and that will drive you like crazy, and it will bring out the best in you. And other thing is that it is not permanent, it will be always temporary. So while you are in that super fast momentum like train is, enjoy each and every bit of it, because while you're enjoying, you'll inspire so many other people. And that is where it will be always cyclic, because once you are inspiring, once Bharat is inspiring, so we all will be always connected. So the second point is leading by example. Take a decision, because if you don't start somewhere, then this momentum thinking, all these dreams, aspiration will give you guilty feeling that you're not able to implement anything. So to avoid that guilty feeling, everything, find some opportunity, connect with people, try out something, explore some ideas, try the feasibility, see how you can implement things with your job. Sometimes it might happen it is very difficult to implement things in your job. You will feel 10-12 hours I'm working hard, how can I take time to really apply again beyond it? So get back to your coach and try to find some balance. Maybe you won't have complete balance, but start somewhere. If you start somewhere, you will actually feel good, because you'll become a leader by an example. You will keep putting your actions, and people will get inspired. The third and final most point is the inspiration part. So while you are in that journey of momentum, not every time you'll be in momentum, so you always need a source of inspiration from different people, especially people whom you respect, especially from people you are surrounding with. Not from someone who is not doing anything in life. एक बंदा है, ऑफिस जाता है आता है, ऑफिस जाता है आता है, is not doing anything beyond, and you are staying with that guy for almost 10-12 hours and seeing that guy, you will never get inspiration. But if you see someone who is working for 12 hours in his office, still is putting 6 hours of effort every single day with no burning out feel, and he's enjoying his day, and he's sleeping peacefully and working so damn hard, crazily and happily, that is where the inspiration comes. Inspiration doesn't come by just taking it, seeing anyone and anywhere. Inspiration comes from someone who is in that field, who's playing.